Hey you guys, it's your favorite realtor Timberlynn, and I am back with another episode of Property Pro Tips. Like always, make sure you like and subscribe, leave a comment below, also follow us on our Instagram. And always, if you are looking for a realtor in the Louisiana area, give me a call. I'm going to drop my details below. But today's topic is going to be the cost beyond the mortgage. So I know I'm out here showcasing these gorgeous homes. I'm at open houses, opening new complexes and things like that. But I want to talk about home ownership beyond the glitz and the glam. So home ownership is not for the weak, I'll say that. There are so many costs that come into play with owning a home. So just because your mortgage may be cheaper than the rent, there's other factors that are factored into that. Like with being a apartment renter, you have maintenance on site. You have sometimes like your utilities are included. You just have to carry renter's insurance. Little things that you wouldn't normally have to worry about in an apartment. Just think about you are going to have to take care of that when you sign on to purchasing a home. So today I want to talk about basically that, the cost beyond the mortgage, what you're looking at as a whole, because owning a home, again, is not for the weak, and there are very, very, very many costs that are associated with home ownership. Now, of course, it is, an ultimate goal to own a home, but don't jump right into it. Save up and take the baby steps. You don't have to just dive right in. So let's get into that topic right now. Come on. All right, so expense number one. Well, I'm not even gonna do 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna kind of run through them. So an expense that is a cost beyond the mortgage. You have property taxes. Most homeowners, well, all homeowners have to pay a property tax to the government. This particular property tax can vary depending on the value of the home and the location of your home. So keep that in mind. Another thing is homeowners insurance. So to protect your home against theft, fire, flood, different things like that, you do have to carry homeowners insurance. Home maintenance and issues. So like I said earlier, if you're renting an apartment, most of your maintenance is going to be taken care of by the maintenance that is on site, the management of that complex. But when you own a home, you are responsible for the maintenance. So if your AC or your heat goes out, you have to pay for that. If your dishwasher or your appliances stop working, you have to cover that. So you have to keep that in mind, especially when you go into wanting to purchase a home. Also another fee, you got your HOA fee. So some neighborhoods have HOAs, some don't. But if you do live in a neighborhood that has HOA fees, think of those assessments that you're gonna have to pay. Some are on a yearly basis, some are on a monthly basis, and they just kind of vary as far as the cost would go. Utilities. Like I stated earlier, some of the utilities are included in your rent. Some apartment complexes include water, sewer, trash, pest control, certain things like that. But when you own a home, you're going to have to cover those expenses. You're going to be paying at water, sewer, trash, gas, pest control, cable, electric, internet. Like, you're responsible for all of that. So also keep that in mind. Private mortgage insurance, which is your PMI. If you put down less than 20% of the home's purchase price as a down payment, you may be required to pay PMI to protect the lender in case of default of that loan. Home warranty programs, that's another added addition that you could occur when buying a home. Basically, that is your home warranty. So you can put a warranty on maybe your air conditioner, a warranty on your appliances, certain things like that. And of course, closing costs. When you purchase a home, buyers are typically responsible for that, paying those closing costs, which can include fees for loan origination, appraisal, title search, and escrow services. So it's definitely important. Those are just a few of the fees that are costs beyond the mortgage. So think about that when you are ready to purchase your first home. Again, I am a realtor out here in the Louisiana area, and I would definitely love to, discuss this in more depth with you. I would love to show you a home. And again, home ownership, it's not to scare you, because again, it should be your ultimate goal. But think about it before you just jump into it. Make sure that you are saving and keeping those costs beyond a mortgage in mind before you move in, so it doesn't catch you as it's out on surprise. So again, I appreciate y'all watching another episode of Property Pro Tips. Like always, like and subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and if there's a topic that you would love me to discuss, leave it below or DM me. And again, if you're looking for a realtor in the Louisiana area, give me a call. I'm gonna drop those details below. And thanks for watching another episode of Property Pro Tips. Bye guys.